sweet chicks, how you doing? If it is your first time to stop by, my name is Wakea Khalifa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up, so every time I do upload a new video, you're gonna be the first one to watch. Now, if you're my old subscriber, hello guys, how you doing? Please don't forget to share and comment as well. Show me the mad love in the comment section. Now, if you have not yet turned notification up, this is literally perfect time to do so, so every time I do upload a new video, you're the first one to watch. But anyway, so today's video, guys, I can tell by the title, I bought another pair of trainers. I'm so obsessed with trainers, like I'm so obsessed with trainers. But this time around, I'm not doing how to style your trainers, I'm just showing you the review about the trainers I got today. So if you want to see how to style these bad boy trainers, comment below and I'll do that video how to style it. And I got perfect outfit in my wardrobe, like exactly what I'm gonna wear with this trainers when I go out. So if you want me to literally to show you exactly what outfit I plan to wear with the trainers, let me know in the below section and I'll do it for you guys, and I'll upload it straight away because I've got amazing perfect outfit that literally right there staring at me right now. But amazing outfit to go with the trainers, and they're really affordable, guys. So I thought to myself, I'm just coming here to review the trainers, but if you want me to do how to style these trainers, let me know and I'll do it for you. But guys, and I'll link some literally video right here how to style some different trainers that I've styled with you guys, so you can just have like a little clue exactly. So I can do it for you for these trainers right here. I'm so excited for the trainers. I don't know why, just the color. I think they're literally affordable and they're really cool and they're really fashionable. I just love fashionable stuff. Like I really love fashionable. I don't like trainers to look as a trainers. I like trainers to look like a really forward fashion Easter 2020, 2030, 2050, you know, that kind of trainers, like you seeing yourself in the future, like this kind of trainers. I like to see this kind of trainers. I see myself in the future with them, you get what I'm saying? Like I see myself in 10 years with them. I think like, I'm just thinking like what kind of trainers 10 years is gonna be like. It's gonna be like this, because this is like fashion right there. So anyways, let's talk about these bad boy trainers right here. So I got these trainers yesterday. Yeah, I got this yesterday. I didn't want to get these trainers. I wanted to get, I don't know what I went to get. I think I went to get something in town, and then I passed to JD. I got this from JD. So I got to JD and I thought, oh, these trainers, I haven't seen them before. And I tried them and I thought, oh, they look amazing. So I got them. So I got them, guys. So this is how they are right now. I haven't worn them yet, so they're brand new. So I'm opening with the box with you guys. So yeah, this is how they look like literally. Let me just put this box right here. I haven't even told the size. I don't even tell how much they are. I don't even tell what name is it, what kind of review is this. But anyways, let's bear with me, guys. I'm not with it today, I'm telling you that. Like, it's too much things going on at once. So these trainers, they are Nike Vista Lite. That's the name, Nike Vista Lite. This is the trainers, the name of it. Even the name, it just sounds like fashion forward. Nike Vista Lite is really amazing. I love the color. I love how it's just like a brownish color. It looks like my skin tone, like you can tell. It looks like literally my skin tone, that brown. And it has like a bright green in the side, like that little tick, Nike tick right there on the side. And that side as well, it has like a little small one, and right here it has like a massive one, so you can tell. And it has like a zigzag, let me just show you. Let me just put this right here. It has like a zigzag details in the sides, like you literally can tell right there. And then in the back as well has like a detail as well, like a zigzag detail print. I think it's like a sewing print right there, like in the side. And then inside it has the same green, bright green right there inside of it, and it has like a massive print of Nike, brand of Nike. And the side as well, it has like a little tick, Nike tick. And this side as well, it has like a Nike tick. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks, Nike tick brand. And then inside as well, that's 7. And the front, it doesn't have any details, any tick detail, just like it has like net right here, like I can see through, like I can see it through right there in the side. Do you guys love the smell of the brand new stuff? Like, I know some people that do go to shop and they do try the dirty socks, but I'm that kind of person. I can smell like brand new pair of trainers for some reason, but I don't know if it's brand new, but I can literally smell it like in a box, because I think the box is literally brand new, but the trainer's been in the box for quite a long time, 24 hours or something. But anyways, the point is the trainers are really amazing. I really love the trainers, and they're really comfortable. I love how comfortable they are. I really tried them on the store and they're really amazing comfortable. I'm just wondering, these trainers, I don't think it's for winter, it's for summer, because winter right now is a see-through fabric. Literally, if you wear this, I can see your pair of socks while you wear it underneath of the trainers. So that means these trainers are like sandals, but they are trainers, you know what I'm saying? Because they are fashion forward. Even though kind of person you don't care about cold, you can get them, you can wear them. You literally do care about your feet, and you don't want to get cold in winter. This is the trainers that usually you won't wear in winter, you wear it in summer, only because they're like the fabric of their literally trainers, they're literally so see-through, like you can tell by my finger. This is literally my fingers right here. Can you tell my fingers inside? That means in that side is all see-through, even that side is all see-through. I just love the details of the fabric of the trainers, because right there is like this is like a net fabric, and there is like I don't know what kind of fabric is this, but it's usually amazing. I really love the trainers. I just love the details and the color as well. But at the same time, these trainers I won't wear it if I'm catching the train, or I think myself I'm gonna be standing up and outside for an hour of the trainers, because you're gonna be cold. Because they're kind of trainers, they look good, but you're gonna be cold because they're not that protected as cold wise. And then the heel of the trainers is just amazing. Look, the style, it's just amazing of style. Look at that. I love the point, that point bit. It just feels like it's high fashion, guys, and it's really cheap, it's really affordable, but I just love it. Look at that. Look at that. It just, I don't know what to say, guys. It's just amazing. I love it. But anyways, let's talk about the price. So it's 95 pounds from JD, and I'll go size 6 in UK. I tried size 5.5, but it's quite tight, so I thought to myself, let me just go in size 6. So I'll go size 6. But size 6, it fit me perfectly, and it's only 95 pounds. And I thought this usually is so affordable trainers, because I thought it's gonna be like 100 or 150 or 150 or 170 or 180 or 200 pounds. That's literally I thought in my head when I saw them. But I thought to myself, this is usually so affordable. I don't think they're quite expensive, but in the winter wise, I think they can be a bit cold. But if that kind of person you don't care about cold, you just want to look good, go for it and buy them. But for the same time, for me, I think they're amazing. But they're amazing, but not to wear it every day, because I think if you wear it every day, that right here is like a rubber, so that means it's gonna get greasy. Right here is gonna go all greasy, and that I don't think is that protected at all, that bit right here. So that hair right here I think is gonna come out for some reason. It's just my fault. It's just my fault, guys. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me know if you've been wearing the trainers for a month. Let me know in the comment. But for me, I just think they're not that protected as wearing every day. If you're looking for trainers wearing every day, this is not the trainers for you. But if you're looking for trainers that you wear it like once a month or twice in 2 months or twice in 1 month, get it, just for fashion, for the sake of it, but not as doing activity, lungs activity, or walking a lot or something, because that hair I don't think is that protected. And that hair right here, you see how clean it is? It's just like really clear. It's gonna get greasy and whatnot, because it's literally rubber. Like, it's literally a rubber. You can even bend it if you want to. How not protected at all, but they look good. But if you wanna go for it, but they're not that literally protected. And they're only 95 pounds, size 6. But if you're that kind of trainer, just wanna put it as like, just to remind you brought a trainers in 2020 something, the beginning of 2020. Yeah, go for it. But it just, I don't think they're really that protected, because they're literally bending. So in a month time, this will be gone. It will be like literally gone, or greases everywhere, greases and whatnot. And then I don't think you will be able even to wash it or something, because it's just like, you can even bend it. Like, you literally look at that, you can even bend it. If I bend it really hard, it can bend, because how rubber is literally like a rubber. But yeah, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up, and let me know down below if you want me to actually to do a style, how to style the trainers, and then everything. Let me know in the below what trainers you want me to do next and what trainers you want me to buy, and I can style for you guys if you want me to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.